I'm Heidi, your pottery pal, and today we are going to test making your own underglaze and seeing if you can use it for an image transfer. So join me. Okay, so I took a recipe for underglaze off of glazy.org, and I will list a link to that recipe in the um, notes. It's not really it's not a podcast, not really the show notes, but in the description. So this is the underglaze I made with that recipe. It's really lovely. Look how creamy it is. And it's a little thinner than what I usually print with, but I thought, what the heck? I'll give it a try. I used the Mazarine Mason stain. So let's try and see what happens. I'm just going to take my little test screen, and we know the drill. Just going to put a little bit down. We're just testing. And let's see how this works. Looks good. I'm going to zoom in to show you a little better. And it also did not clog the screen. I mean, the screen's purple, but didn't actually clog it. So that's good too. So let's see how it transfers to a test tile. Okay, so we are back and we have a tiny slab and we have the little transfer we made. So I'm going to cut this out. I don't know if I have mentioned this before in these videos, but I like to actually paint a really thin coat of slip on the piece I'm transferring to. It just seems to, the transfer seems to stick better. This is just a basic white slip. This is a decorating slip. It's not a casting slip. Oops. Okay, so let's take the heat gun and dry those a little bit. Okay, let's transfer that. Zoom in so you can see a little better. Gently squeegee. And then I'm just going to test it to see how much I need to squeegee. Sometimes with flat pieces, oh, it's coming off already. Sometimes with flat pieces, you don't have to squeegee as much as a round piece. Okay, so let's see what happens. Look at that. It's pretty good. Now, It's a little blurred because it was so wet, but it looks good. Now we just have to wait for it to come out of the kiln. Okay, so I put that test tile in the kiln. I put a clear glaze over it, and it looks beautiful. And that is the Mazarine Mason stain with the glazy.org underglaze recipe. So there's a lot of potential here, and I look forward to testing it more. Pottery's better with a pal. So if you liked this video, like, subscribe, and share with a friend. See you next week.